Hi my friends, you're most welcome. Today I want to teach you the pattern of this beautiful bag strap or belt or headband. So let's say together. Start the slip knot and chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Yarn over, insert your hook in first chain and pull up loop. Yarn over and pull up loop twice. Stretch it, yarn over and pull up loop 3 times, 4 times, 5, and 6 times. Yarn over, pull through first 6 loops, chain 2, and pull through the rest of the loops. Chain 3, yarn over, insert your hook in the middle of these 2 puff stitches and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop twice, 3 times, 4, 5, and the last time. Yarn over, pull through first 6 loops, chain 2, 1 and 2, and pull through the rest of the loops. Chain 3, yarn over, insert your hook in the middle and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop 6 times, yarn over and pull up loop 6 times, yarn over, pull through first 6 loops, chain 2, 1 and 2, then pull through the rest of the loops. Keep going. Now I reach the desired length. Make a single crochet in the middle, chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, and make a single crochet in first space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, make a single crochet in next space, chain 3, make a single crochet in next space. Keep going. At the end, chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, and make a slip stitch in first chain. Make a slip stitch in second chain, chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please support me by commenting and subscribing. See you soon.